Schemes such as Dayanand Social Security Scheme, Grih Aadhar, a scheme to offset price rise for housewives, Ladli Lakshmi scheme for girls, etc., are some of the important schemes implemented by my government to support the needy and vulnerable section of the society. Under the Dayanand Social Security Scheme, 1,41,352 number of beneficiaries have been covered as on January 2017. In order to promote primary education in mother language, in mother tongue, my government is releasing a special grant of rupees 400 per student per month to the aided schools imparting primary education in Konkani, Marathi, and till date, a total of 127 primary aided schools have availed the benefit of the scheme to the tune of rupees 306 lakhs. Honorable members, my government is not self-satisfied with these achievements. It has miles and miles to go. Although my government is a coalition government with various parties and independent members, it is coalition of those people who believe that development is unity and a struggle of two opposites, and has come together only in the interest of our state for overall development of our state, while ensuring that our state retains its originality and ethnic charm. Goan and Goenkarpan would be the local focal points of all the future policy of my government. Dear members, coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. I hope all the members of this august House will be guided by this spirit for the progress of the state, and I am confident that together we can make it possible. Sarvepi sukhinah santu, santu sarve niramaya, sarve bhadrani pasyantu, माँ कश्चित दुख भाग भवेत। मेरा यह अटूट विश्वास है कि उपरोक्त सनातन मंत्र को अपनाते हुए मेरी सरकार सबका साथ, सबका विकास के पथ पर ही अग्रसर रहेगी।